Well, hello there. Welcome to the Soul Sister channel. On this Sunday, March 27th, I'm here with your weekly astrological forecast going from today, Sunday, March 27th, all the way through Saturday, April 2nd. We have some wonderful new beginning energy coming in. Last week, we had the sun moving into Aries. Today, we have Mercury joining the sun in Aries. And then on Friday, we have a new moon in Aries. Lots of wonderful, renewing, beginning energy. Let's talk more about it. Before we get to the details for the week, though, we are going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected to our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, all toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Let's take one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We visualize all the darkness, all the negativity just flowing out of our bodies, just flowing away. In its place, we visualize this beautiful white light. It's filling our entire bodies with white light. This white light contains love, light, and the will to good. It goes out and forms a protective bubble of light, love, and goodwill all around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Aries affirmation. I am worthy. I am loved. I am abundant. I attract love and abundance into my life. We're going to say the affirmation together, and then we're going to stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for just 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation. I am worthy. I am loved. I am abundant. I attract love and abundance into my life. Good. And what a great affirmation that supports this incredible energy I want to talk about for this week. Well, so we've come through these past 2 weeks. We've had some great ideas, new ways maybe of doing things, changing it up a little bit, making some little changes or big changes. And we've thought about it, we've dreamt about it. And sometimes we've shared these ideas with others. Sometimes they've been supported and sometimes not so much. But we've been in this realm, this Piscean realm. It's nebulous and it's dreamy. And hopefully we wrote down some of these crazy ideas that we came up with during these past couple of weeks at least. So now we have this idea. We came through yesterday, the end of the week yesterday, we started seeing things a little bit more clearly. Everything started to fit a little bit more together. We got a little bit more confident. And I know we spent a lot of time these past couple of weeks trying to figure out who was on our side, who was our support system, who was actually trying to sabotage us, who was telling us little fairy tales and stories. And yesterday, we started seeing clearly what was going on. And today that continues. And now we have Mercury moving into Aries today. So another beginning energy. We are feeling it. We are hearing it, seeing it, tasting it. We are on it. We are on it. We can see the big picture. We can see the steps that it's going to take to get us to where we need to go. And today, starting today, well, actually starting with the sun in Aries, continuing today with the Mercury going into Aries, and then finally on Friday, the new moon in Aries. This week, we take these ideas we've been pondering upon, dreaming upon, researching, and now we start to manifest them. We make them happen. The energy is there all week long to support our work. We can see it. Like I said, we can see it, feel it, taste it. We can be it. It's so clear. It's so clear to us today. And so today, we begin, we're like, okay, what is step one? What do I need to do to make this vision a reality? Do I need to change up my work-home dynamic to make sure that is more balanced? Do I need to move into that career that I know better reflects who I am, what I want, and makes me feel so darn happy? I know it will. What are we going to do to make that happen? Well, we might have to get educated. We might have to learn a new skill set. Now is the time. Get it done. It begins today on this Sunday, March 27th. So now we have the motivation. We have the little kick in the butt to get us going, to do what we need to do to make that dream a reality for us. So, time to put the la-la land away and time to really think how we are going to make this happen in our lives. On Monday, on the 28th, we have the moon. Usually don't talk about the moon. She goes in and out of aspect and relationship so quickly, but she is banging up against, meaning she is conjuncting 3 planets, Mars, Venus, and Saturn, all on Monday, all in Aquarius, as well as Venus conjunct Saturn in Aquarius. Whoa, buddy, we're on our game. We've got it. Again, this carry over. It's this new energy, this motivation that we have. Don't doubt it. I don't want to say deny or demean it, because this stuff is real. We have the tools to make what we want to happen. We just need to do the work. And on Monday, we might know the first, second, third, fourth, fifth step. Write it down. Let's get it done. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, that Piscean energy comes back a little bit. And not only are we on our game and we're ready to go and get it done, we're excited, we feel this connection. We feel like we're on the right path, like everything is working out the way it is supposed to. This is the feeling that we have all the way up this week until Friday, until the new moon in Aries. So we have this feeling of being on purpose, of being inspired and motivated, to really believing that we can have a life that makes us happy and fulfilled, gives us a sense of belonging and connectedness. These are the feelings that we're having at the beginning of this week that really give us the motivation and the impetus to just get the work done and take it to the next step. Now, having said that, if we aren't working on the plan, if We have the plan on the back burner because I don't know, it's really not good enough, or I'm not good enough, or I don't think it will really work and it's too different, or people are going to laugh at me, or I'm going to be not going to be accepted. Whatever the bullshit story we are telling ourselves not to do what we know we should be doing right now. What we are going to default to is getting that emptiness filled, that unworthiness filled. Because we don't have our big boy, big girl panties on just to get it down and work through our fear and say, screw it, I'm going to do it because it's what I want to do. We're hovering back in unworthiness. And so what are we doing? We're hitting our favorite addictions. We're hitting food. That's my favorite. Anytime I'm not emotionally balanced and I'm not working to be aligned and balanced in my life, and it's usually in the emotional realm, I hit the food. That's my addictive go-to. What's yours? Is it alcohol? Is it drugs? Is it staying at work until 1 a.m. in the morning so we don't have to deal with our thoughts, our own thoughts and emotions? Be real clear. If that's what we're doing during this time and during this week, we need to have a real heart-to-heart with ourselves and get to the bottom of why we don't think we are worthy enough or good enough to have what we want. And if we're having trouble with that, please reach out and get support. Have either a close friend, maybe a minister, maybe a counselor, a therapist. Have them help us find our way. Because this is such an important time. This week is setting up the energy for the next year. So let's be on our game and let's be honest with ourselves. If we aren't doing what we need to do to give ourselves a happy, fulfilled life, then, woo, she was on her soapbox, wasn't she? Well, then we come to Friday, April 1st. And this is no joke. It's not April Fool's, because this is a big day. This is our new moon in Aries. This is the beginning. This sets up the whole, the whole canvas for what we are painting our life, how we were painting our life for the next 12 months. And this is it. And like I said, we've had plenty of time to really think about and ponder upon and meditate upon how we can be happy and fulfilled. And now we are ready to do it. And we have all the support we need. The energy is there to support us. We have everything we need to have a successful and happy year ahead. All we have to do is what? The work. We have to get our work done. And then we get to end the week on Saturday date night. We have some great energy. On Saturday, we have the sun in Aries conjunct Mercury in Aries. Oh boy, what a great day to hang out with friends, socialize, chat. Bully might be trying to dominate the conversation. Be careful about that. And party and maybe get together with friends and family that we haven't seen for a while. We are just, it's such a great energy this week. Let's really, really enjoy it and make the best of it. Because, you know, the week before, man, we didn't know what the heck was going on. And now let's use our clarity and let's really make the best of it and get our work done this week. So Saturday we can rest on our laurels and we can enjoy and celebrate the work that we have done. And it'll be a great date night too, with that both the Sun and Mercury conjunct in Aries. It's a great night for conversation and discussion. So great time to communicate and to share. So have a great week ahead. Enjoy this incredible beginning, renewing energy. Grab hold of it. Use it to manifest our dreams. This is what it's all about. Being able to manifest the life we want. And if we're aware of the energy and how it works in our lives, if we can become familiar with it, then we can consciously control how we act or react to it and how we can use it in our lives. Okay, let's see what question the Spirit would like to leave us with today as we go off into our week of new beginnings and getting it done, beginning our work on manifesting our best life yet. Breathe. This moment matters most. Here's the question. How can you focus on the moment and appreciate all is well? So Spirit says, be in the moment. Be totally present in each moment this week. No more in la la land, in dreamland. Be in the moment and make it happen. Spirit wants, the question is, how can I make each moment, the best moment of my life so far, the moment with the most potential? How do I come to each moment this week present in the now? That is a really good question to ask ourselves and to leave us with this week. So while we are getting done, let's remember to be objective and focused in the now. What do we need to do now to make that happen down the road? Have a great week. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages. If you would like some help in the meditation department, I do have my 15-minute guided meditation for the Sun in Aries, and that is out on the Soul Sister channel playlist for the 15-minute guided meditations. Check that out if you need any assistance there. The most important thing of the Soul Sister channel, the most important if you take anything from the channel, please take this and remember it. Life is lived from the inside out. Here's where it is created. Out there is where this manifests. If we don't like what we see out there, we have to change in here first. Take care. Have a great week. Enjoy this incredible renewing energy. Namaste.